Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, chef wenyu. Leo ameamua apige gym kidogo. Guys, nimenona hadi. Just see guys, no, nimenona sana. Nataka body tea. So guys, stay with me as I'm going to do some workouts. As from today, nilikuwa nimeanza gym, nikapause kidogo, but for now I want to focus. I want flat tummy, guys. Hey, tumbo si ya msichana. See you guys. I'm going to use the dumbbells. They're not that heavy, but let me just use them. So we are going to use them tukiruka. Let's pause kidogo and take some water. Oh. Guys, don't even sweat. This thing is not easy. We, nimeruka kama 1000. Si rahisi. Just see how I'm sweating. Nimechoka. It is not easy. Haikuji rahisi. We, flat tummy jamani. Body tea haikuji rahisi. Thank you everyone for watching. Imekuwa day ya kwanza na nimeona kama tumemanage. We have managed. So guys, I'll be doing this every day except Thursday and Friday or weekend. Yeah. Juu lazima mwili pia pumzike na tumbo. Unaona hii lazima itoke jamani. I want body tea. Let's end this for today. Tune in tomorrow. Tutakuwa pamoja. I'll be with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, watch, share, comment. Yeah, mnaweza niambia hata vitu zingine pia naweza fanya. See you guys. Bye. Love you all. Body tea. Bye guys.